Okay, good morning, guys, and welcome to another episode of 130 Technicals. As we all know, I'll start saying as we are all aware, this is basically a market outlook session. We get to see what opportunities can grab from the market, and you guys get to see more of my strategy, how I get my entries and exits. Yeah. So before we get started, for those that are watching this video on YouTube, please like and subscribe to the page. Yeah. So now let's begin. Fundamental wise, mm, today is going to be tricky. It's NFP and then it's December NFP. So it's going to be one kind. We might not have movements, we might have movement, no one knows. It's just to let's do our own part and then see what will happen. So let's jump on our charts and see what we can get. Today is going to be very quick. Let's start with ADUSD. Whoa. So this was the analysis we had on NZUSD. I mean ADUSD yesterday. We were looking at ADUSD retracing to come down to these levels, to this high that was broken, and then the 0.618 was around there. We're looking to see if ADUSD will come down there, and then retest for us to continue. But then since yesterday, ADUSD has just been ranging here. So I don't know. I think the news might come and do this thing, make it exit this range. But for now, there's no trade at all on AUD Let's check NZUSD. It's going to be something similar. So NZUSD is it's not really similar. So this was what we had yesterday, but then you can see that price actually still extended. We do not have that retracement. So price still extended to the top. And then you can see the 0.618 is way above there, and I don't like that place. So I'm not going to actually use the Fibonacci for entries here. And then you can see price basically pushed up. We came down, created the what? A higher low. We have gone up to create a higher high, but then we're still having that insufficiency of buyers to actually push the market up. So now, what we can watch out for, can we break above this range for us to have a retest, or instead of breaking above, can we what? Break below? So that's basically what I'm going to be looking at for AUDUSD today. So I'm going to be watching the high and the low because price is at the high now. Let's see whether it will break above or not. So let me highlight the level. So this is the level here. Let's see whether price will break above or not. Then Euro USD. Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD, I said Euro USD was in some sort of range. And then yesterday we actually broke above and came back to retest. We broke, we came back, we retested, and then now price created what? Another what? Higher high. We created a higher low. We pushed up to create a higher high, but then we failed to create that higher low. And then we're still in that uptrend, but then you can see that sellers are creeping in, the buyers are becoming what? Small. And I feel it's because NFP is today, so that's why the market is actually slowing down like this. So what we can actually watch out for, divine moon account down device. So what we can watch out for now is to see whether price will actually break above and what's come back to retest and continue, or we basically come and start breaking all these higher lows to the downside. So that's basically what I'm going to be watching out for on Euro USD. Yeah, let's watch and see how it's going to behave. Then GBP USD, GBP USD. This is wild, honestly. GBP created a high. We kind of pushed down and then we created another massive high here. And then price has just been sloping down. For now, I'm going to leave it alone because it's not doing anything clear. It's looking like USD JPY. So I'm going to leave it alone for now. Now, GBP JPY, let's see. This is one thing I don't like with this thing. When it starts ranging, it's always nasty. So GBP JPY yesterday, yeah, we went back into that range and then we came back down again. So we're still within this high and this low. So I'm going to leave price alone here. I'm not going to do anything about GBP JPY. Gold. So gold actually pushed up. We created a high, created another one, another higher low. So now we broke out yesterday here, yeah. But then I was not on my charts yesterday for me to actually see this trade. If we could have used that short retracement strategy on this trade yesterday. So this was the break of structure yesterday. Do you get? And then would have actually entered at the close of the candlestick, but then I was not on my charts yesterday. I was not on my charts yesterday, so I did not see this. So this one actually went. So now, what can we get on gold? Let's watch out for this low and then this high here. Let's see which one price will break out of. So once we see any break, we'll be looking for what? A retest. So we can see a break below, we'll look for a retest. If we can break above, same thing, we'll be looking for a retest. So that's what I'm going to be looking out for on gold. Now, AUD card. AUD card, I'm going to even delete this one from my currency pairs. Let me see. We actually had that break, a retest. But honestly, I'm going to delete this one. I don't like this pair again. See, I see a new opportunity on it. USD card. Let's see USD card. USD card 2 is going. Let me see. GBP JPY. GBP JPY 2 is going. So I've looked at all my pairs. Is there any pair you guys want us to take a look at before we go? I've looked at gold. This is gold, basically. See gold. Either I'll have a break above or a break below of this low. So that's what I'm watching out for. And wait first now. That's not broken. We'll have to wait. So in the absence of any currency pair or any question, please let's stay safe in the market today because it's NFP, yeah. So I'll catch you guys same time next week. No, on Tuesday next week we'll resume, yeah. Thank you guys for attending the session and then have a very beautiful day. This session, session. Oh shit.